Happy Friday. I don't know who needs to hear this. It's Blinky time, bestie. Got grapples mixed between Gary Payton and apples and bananas. Little thing gets me every time. Blinky calling. Serious. Oh, you're right, that does help. Snotty! Look at my slippers! What is that? Don't let anyone or anything cloud up your day other than Penelope, okay? Oh, we cool. So I can move both of my eyebrows. Guys, I feel like we have no daytime now. I need to start waking up earlier because I feel like, what? The sun is out in like an hour or two. What's going on? I need the sun. I go outside any minute I can. That's what I'm gonna do as soon. I'm gonna go stand outside and get some rays.